Girl, I know hairstyles don't ever turn out the same way each time, and it's so annoying. Like, why? Like, I don't get it.
You don't know what love is if you told it a million times. And you say you know what love is, but I swear you never seen it in your life. Ooh. I swear you never seen it.
Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. Hey loves, it's Dakota here, and I'm back with another video. Oh my gosh, I'm so loud. But today, as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be showing you how you could fix your finger coils, because
Listen.
during this natural hair journey, whether you're just starting or you've been in the game for a hot minute, your style never turns out the same each time, and your style never looks like the same person on YouTube or Instagram or your friend. It never looks the exact same. This is how to fix it. I'm gonna tell you how to fix it, and we're gonna get into this video. Make sure that you comment, you like, and you subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So here I am just looking for coils that look a bit thicker than others that I want to fix. So here you just want to take like the thicker coils that you have that you want to fix and carefully separate them into smaller ones. And because I already have like a good amount of product on my hand, my hair curls up a little bit more better with this product, so I don't really have to finger coil them like I usually do, but I did in some parts, so you'll see that throughout the video. But you basically just separate them. It's pretty easy, but it can be a little bit time consuming, especially if you have somewhere to go. So I wouldn't recommend this if you're in a rush, but if you have time like I did, then you could fix them. So guys, at this point of like fixing my hair, I saw this really straight piece of hair, and I have not straightened my hair in forever or blow dried it in forever, and so I was like, I need to just cut it because there's no point of me trying to coil it. I really just cut it all off. And I don't know if you could see it. I tried to show you guys, but it's so straight. Like, I have heat damage, but I don't. Like, I don't know what that is. Can you guys just take in the definition I'm getting right now? And it's just amazing. Like, I didn't think my hair could ever do this. Even when it was longer, I never wore it out. I never really wore my hair out unless it was stretched out in a way. So this product that I'm using, by Melanin Hair Care, the curling cream, it really helped me embrace like my shrinkage that I have. I used to hate it so much, but now I'm like getting super used to it. And you know, my hair grows, so it'll get bigger as time goes by, but I really love how it defines my curls. It's amazing. So that's basically how I've been trying to fix my finger coils, and I am gonna do the rest of it off camera but show you what it looks like when I'm finished. See, I have a lot of thick ones that I want to finish, so I'll see you guys when I'm done, and yeah. So here is basically the final result of me fixing my finger coils. They're way smaller than they were before in my opinion, and here's like an insert of like the before pic, but they're much more defined. I just used a little bit of product to help separate the coils so I can make them into smaller coils, because I think it just looks much more natural and kind of like cuter than what they were before. But I really love them. I hope that this helped you out if you were struggling with how it was looking, because
Girl, I know hairstyles don't ever turn out the same way each time, and it's so annoying. Like, why? Like, I don't get it.
But yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any more like video ideas for me or anything like that, any questions. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. We're on our way to 400. Actually, I recorded this over a month ago, guys, so we already hit 400, and all I can say is thank you for supporting me, subscribing to my channel, and watching my videos, and I hopefully can get us to 500 this month, or June anyway, and yeah, let's get it. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning, but we are, so I think we can make it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.